In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Gmail securely with a QR code. Let's jump right in and make sure you get through the login process effortlessly and securely. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the page. Here, type in www.gmail.com and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you directly to the Google sign-in page, or if you're already logged in, straight to your Gmail inbox. Assuming you land on the Google sign-in page, you'll next need to enter your Gmail address. This is typically structured as your name followed by @gmail.com. It's important to type this correctly to avoid any errors. After entering your email, click the Next button. In some cases, you might see multiple accounts listed on this page. If so, simply select the account you want to use and then proceed. Now you're ready for the next step, entering your password. On the password page, carefully type in your Gmail password. A quick tip, ensure your caps lock is off and double check for any typing mistakes. Security is key, so avoid entering your password if you're on a public or shared computer. Once you've entered your password, click the Next button again. If all your credentials are correct, you'll be smoothly logged into your Gmail account and find yourself at your inbox. That's it. You've successfully logged into your Gmail account. Remember, it's always a good practice to log out of your account when you're done, especially on public or shared devices. This little step can go a long way in protecting your information. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to rewind this video and go through the steps again. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.